Hello everyone, so this is for the people that the hackathon that asked me to will show them what tools I'm running and what I'm expecting from the tool. So that's what we're doing today. So we got a URL to hack. This isn't the same URL, but thanks to Sysdig for hosting another instance for me to show you. So that's the URL. So here we see it's a confluence. So there's a bunch of stuff we can do. One of those would be an map scan, just to show the ports that are open for it. So here I'm running an map scan. All the flags here are -v for verbose, -p dash for all the ports, pn for to treat it like a, so it's not checking just for ping. Since we are in external on the internet, it might not even ping. So here it found port 443 and 80. Like I'm gonna skip the whole port thing for the sake of time, but it's a URL and application that's running on it. As we can see here, it's an URL, it's a Confluence instance. One of the things that I like to run to gather more information in a web URL is nuclei. Here, I mean, I wouldn't run it on the whole instances, on a whole host of instances, but it's running all the templates that the nuclei has. So it might find like technologies, it might find CDs, it might find, so here it found two other CDs. Here's something that I want to get is more the version. We can Google like what's the CPU that are vulnerable there, but that's not the one that I used in the hackathon, so I want to showcase what I did. So I'm gonna speed this up and just run the technologies one, because I know there's not, well, there should be a UK template for it, so but it didn't detect it. So I'm running check technologies just to gather more information to know pretty much what to hack. So we found the exact Confluence version, which is 5.0.1. So here you can Google an exploit for it. Confluence 5.0.1 exploit GitHub. And here you'll find that that's the one. So that's the one that I used. Basically it creates it creates a new admin account. So here I have the CD here. You can read the code to understand what it's doing. Basically what it's doing is, well, it uses a custom agent, a user agent, so you can change that. The username and password, use the URL. Basically, that's what it does. So here, if you just do that, you need to provide the URL to that's global. I guess I need to install the plugin. This is a new Kali, so it might take a while, but not a while. That's why it's not installed. just install the package requirement. The reason why it shows is because Kali Linux use the package manager to manage the Python dependencies. So here the exploit just needs the URL. So it created the username, hacked. Obviously you can change that. So it gives us admin access to the Confluent server. So here we could just use what I used in the hackathon was a Confluence web shell. I think it's in the hack as well, right? Is it not? Okay, so that's the one that I used. Basically, you want to download the file. You can download it locally. Oh, I could just download it from the URL. So here, just create a web shell that you can enter. The reason why I did that earlier is just that you can't do a reverse shell because I didn't have a VPS. But here, that's how we managed to get command execution on the provided instance in the hackathon. So again, thanks to Sysdig for hosting this. Thank you guys. Let me know if you have more question.